Lightning deals, 7-day deals, and coupon codes. 3 ways to boost your sales on Amazon and stand out. In this video, a step-by-step quick guide to all of these deals, why you should do them, and the #1 mistake that Amazon sellers make when they do discounts on Amazon. Let's get started. Hi, my name is Crystal and I'm the founder of Amazon Sellers Society and Sellers Society. Make sure that you are subscribed to the channel, like this video, and leave me a comment in the comment section below with this emoji if you want the chance to win a 1-hour consultation call with myself and the team to talk to you about everything related to Amazon. Make sure that you also register for the free masterclass. I'll leave all of the links in the description box of the video. The masterclass goes through the step-by-step guide in order to find a successful product to sell on Amazon. Now, attention. Emphasize, highlight, point out, underline, feature, and spotlight. Attention is one of the most important things when you are selling on Amazon. And doing a discount definitely increases the attention of your listing and product. And one way to get attention, which is what we're going to be talking about in this video, lightning deals, 7-day deals, which are lumped together, as well as coupon codes. So let's get started with the deals. Click on advertising and choose lightning deals. If this is your first time creating a lightning deal, then this is the page that you will see. You need to create a new deal and then see if there are any deals that are available to you. Right now, in this account, we see that there are no recommendations at this time. And this normally happens if the account is new. However, if there is a deal that is suggested, then you can just click on create a new deal, and then you'll find all of the suggestions that are there for your account as well as for your product. You select whichever one you want. You will then have the information about the week and when it will run. Then you can choose it. For the lightning deal, you will have to say how much you're willing to do for the deal price, how many units, and how many units you are committing. So what would be the total discount? So as an example, I'm going to say that I'm going to discount the product by 15 dirhams. It will automatically create it. And then I want to say I'm going to commit 10 units. This is for the lightning deal that runs anywhere between 12 to 24 hours. And then all I need to do is submit deal. If you need support and help with starting your very own business on Amazon, make sure that you check out the Done For You service by Amazon Sellers Society. You'll be able to find the link right here on the screen or also in the description box of the video, where you'll find more information and be able to book a consultation call with the team. Now let's talk about coupons. Coupons are very important and essential, and they're so important that even Amazon does their own coupons for your products from time to time with sponsored partnerships. Coupons are very easy to make, and let me show you exactly what you need to do. For the coupons, you also need to go to your advertising, but this time choose coupons. Once you have selected coupons, you can look at all of the coupons that are currently operational. This is the screen that you will see if you have created a coupon before. However, if you haven't, you'll see a screen that will give you more information about creating a coupon. Then you can just simply click on create a new coupon. To create a new coupon, you need to search for the product either with the product name, the SKU, or even the ASIN. Once you have identified the product, you just can click here in order to add it to the coupon. The great thing is that you can add multiple products under one coupon. So if you want to do a general discount on your account of 10% coupon all over, then you can add more than one product and you don't have to do several coupons. For the coupon, you need to decide on a start date and an end date. You also need to decide whether you want to give a percentage off or a money off. And you need to decide on the maximum limit that you will be able to. Don't forget also to decide whether you want to limit the coupon just for the customer to use at one time only, or if they're able to purchase multiple times and still use the coupon. You're also going to have to add the coupon title, and you can find the title guidelines here as to what you want to call the coupon. This is something that customers will see when they log into your listing. With all that being said, you can also target either all customers or just Amazon Prime members, and then you click continue. One main mistake when it comes to deals that Amazon sellers seem to make is that they just set the deal and they keep it running over and over. Remember, this needs to grab the customer attention, but it also needs to feel like it's a scarce deal. So if they find the coupon all the time, then they're not going to be interested to act quickly. Make sure that you test out, maybe run the coupon, for example, for 3 days, and then stop it and then see what differences you get when it comes to your unit session percentage or even your sales. If you want more information about how you can boost your sales, then I suggest that you watch this video. And now I'll see you in another video with more information. Bye.